Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Last Caretaker not launching or crashing on PC. If your game won't open or keeps crashing, follow these simple steps and we'll get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the Last Caretaker in your list of games. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check for any missing or corrupted files and automatically repair them. Once it's done, try launching your game again. Solution 2. If that didn't fix it, let's move on to the next method. Right-click the Last Caretaker again in your Steam library and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder. Right-click on Voyage.exe and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch your game. It should start without crashing. Solution 3. If the problem persists, it might be due to outdated drivers. Open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Click on it to open. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will find and install the latest driver for your graphics card. Once the update finishes, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Launch it, then click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates, and if a new driver is available, install it. After installation, restart your PC and try running the Last Caretaker again. Solution 5. If nothing else works, the issue might be with missing runtime components. Go to the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for x86 and x64 versions. Click vcredist x86.exe to download it, then click vcredist x64.exe to download that one too. Once both files are downloaded, double-click vcredist x64.exe first, accept the terms and click Install. Wait for it to finish, then click Close, but don't restart yet. Now double-click vcredist x86.exe, accept the terms, and install it as well. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After the restart, launch the Last Caretaker. Your issue should now be completely fixed. And that's it. You've now learned 5 easy solutions to fix the Last Caretaker not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.